Hey, fellow chainsaw enthusiasts. I tried to go live earlier today with my Stihl GTA26 just to see if it was viable for carving. It's brand new. I got it out of the box and I was going to go live and say, hey, watch this. Well, the live video didn't work out, so I made this video instead. We're using a Stihl GTA26. One battery got us that far. We're trying the second battery now. See if we can do anything with it. I might move you a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. That's better. So like I said, we're using the Stihl GTA26. I just put a fresh battery in it. This is what we got with the first battery. Let's see if we can cut this thing out. Can you see it? I'll try to explain what's going on as we cut this out. I'm going to adjust it a little bit here. There we go. Okay. So here I'm just cutting around the cross a little deeper each time. This time I went a little deeper. You can see this thing, it might be small, but it's mighty. It has a kickback that can get you, and it will cut an arm off or a nose. So don't put your face up there. But just go at it and keep going slow. Don't do what I done, because I didn't even read the safety manual. I don't have any safety equipment on or nothing. You know, you need to follow the safety guidelines. Do not do what I do. Having said that, you know, here we go. We're cutting that top piece off. Speed things up a little bit so I don't have to talk so much. And I just about got the top piece all the way off. And you can tell I just a little bit here, a little bit there, and just keep going at it. And eventually, you'll get it. Now here's a good slow motion. Everybody likes a slow motion video, so I had to get this slow motion. The old slow motion. Look at that chain lifting up when it goes. This thing will cut your arm off. I'm telling you. Be careful with it. And then watch it. If you're not holding it and that tip hits just right, it will get a little kickback. See that? Bam. Kickback, kickback. 2 times in a row right there. And this is where I cut my arm off. You should close your eyes. I'm just kidding. I'm paying attention. I make sure I don't cut my arm off. But here it goes. And you can see I'm just about, you can feel it when you get to that line. And it just slips through. And you can feel the piece getting loose now. See it moving, and bam. There it is. Well, that chunk come off. It felt kind of weird, but check it out. That's a big enough piece that I could probably make a whole nother sign. A whole nother cross. With just that piece right there. Anyways, I'll save that. Maybe we'll do something with it later. That's about enough of the slow motion video. There, I'm glad that was over. Now here's where I work on cutting that bottom part off. Just trying to release it so we can get that to slip right out of there. And I just take a little bit at a time. And then I'm getting a little bit right here. And it looks like it's kind of loose. Now, you don't want to cut too far and go too much into those corners, because then you got everything jagged. There it goes. Got it loose. And there you go. That's pretty cool. That's a chainsaw carved cross that says Jesus. That's pretty neat. Anyway, for those of you that were wanting to know, can you chainsaw carve with a Stihl GTA26? I would say yes. Yes, you can chainsaw carve with a Stihl GTA26. This thing will cut your arm off. It's pretty nice. It's got a lot of power. And it only took 2 charges to do that whole thing. And then it comes with this little protector. It's got a safety switch. So there's a safety switch here. You have to pull that or the trigger don't go. And then it's got the little power button. I only got like 1 power on that right now. And it doesn't have a self-oiler. You have to oil it yourself every now and then. They give you a tube of the oil. And I knew I was going to be carving, and one battery wasn't going to do because I couldn't wait on a charging battery. So I got 2 batteries, and it did just fine. I didn't run out of charge on the second battery by the time I got that done. I still had some charge left on it. So it came with 1 battery and a charger in this case, and the oil. And if you got any talent at all, you can do something cool like that. So if you got anything out of this video, or you liked it, or it blessed you in any way, hit that like and subscribe button, share. You know, if you're local, buy something from me. And don't forget to tell other people, hey, there's a chainsaw artist in town.